Welcome to the Hamilton Atelier. In today's video, we will teach you how to change a leather strap on your watch. Let's get started. The spring bar tool is essential for changing your strap. First, let's remove the old straps. Start by putting the watch face down to avoid scratching it. Put the spring bar tool between the strap and the lug. Push gently and pull out the spring bar. Do the same on the other side. In the second step, we will add a new strap. Don't forget that the strap with the buckle always attaches to the top side of the watch. Push the spring bar through both sides of the strap. Hold with your finger. Then, use the spring bar tool to push in the other end of the bar. Repeat these actions on the lower piece of the strap. That's it, you're all set. Both straps should now be strongly attached and secured. Thanks for watching.